they believe that the presidency is supporting them. I think they believe
that President Buhari is supporting them.
Nah, presidency is not Buhari.
Someone in the presidency.
Yes. Presidency is not Buhari. Buhari is the head of the presidency. And like I said, we are coming, small. That's the time you reveal one. That's the time you say you're one. You don't say everything one day. You see, you tell Nigerians for today, this is what you are telling them. Another time we tell Nigerians, see, this is what it is. No party that wants to win an election that can be arrogant like this. No party that is ready to take over power from APC. You know, APC is not like PDP. APC is something else. Look, how many of them are the federal government invaded in election the way they invaded the state? Some people
in the presidency.
Yes. Some people are supporting them.
Some persons in the presidency are supporting them, and they believe that the power will return to the north, and that's why they have the confidence. And you imagine that the President Buhari is from the north, and Mr. Atiku Abubakar is also from the north. What do you make of that scenario? If you think that some people in the presidency are working with the Atiku
may not be thinking of President Buhari. Mind you too, you have heard of so many things in the presidency, which sometimes the president may not know. Mind you, remember, under the APC primary, you heard that it was the presidency that brought Ahmed. You had so. But you also had one president said, no, everybody go to the field. They immediately went, but I thought they said it was the president. That's what I said. They believe. They believe may turn out not to be correct. That's the point I'm trying.
Since
that you see, look, in power, let me tell you, there are those who are close to me. Do you understand me? There are those who are close to me. Somebody who's close to me may come out to tell you this is what we are going to do. Meanwhile, that such a discussion has not taken place. And if you believe that person, how close he is to me, there's a likelihood you may be tempted to agree that yes, this is correct. And two, certain steps too, the person may show you, which will also make you believe the more that it is correct. Until finally, it dawns on you that all I'm saying is not correct.